Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have a little haul for Rainyrose's nails. So let's hop right into it. They're right now having a sale, so you can buy 5 get 5 free, and they also are having 50% off. So yeah, let's open it up. It comes in this cute little pink. Can you give me the scissors? So I ended up getting 2 nails, 2 different kinds. Cute little packaging. Okay. So the first one is this cute pink one, and they are press on. If you want them to stay like longer, you're gonna buff your nails, file your nails, and then you're gonna use a alcohol wipe, and then you're gonna press them on, and it should stay longer. So this one is the like pink with glitter. Super cute. Let me see. I can't do them right now, and they also do come with a glue.
That she just dropped.
Yes. So they look like that. They come in a cute little packaging too. So this is the glue that it comes with. So buff and shape your nail to the desired length. Clean your nail with a light rubbing alcohol or water and a mild soap. Let dry completely. Choose the right nail size for each finger ahead of time. Apply a moderate drop of liquid glue or use the approximate nail sticker size. Attach the nail from the root of the finger to the front end. Press for about 10 to 20 seconds. Here's to easy and flawless manicures. So safe removal would be to soak your Rainyrose's nails in warm water for 5 minutes and gently peel the nail off from the side. So our tips, rainforest tips: cut or file the nail, add a top coat or even some accessories. So you can do whatever you would like to them too. So that's a bonus. This one was $4.99 for this one. And also there is the coupon code that is 5 free. So it would be 5 the number and then free all cap. So you can buy 5 get 5, which is a good deal. Because then you got nails for a while. The last one that I got, which was coffin nails, and these were super cute.
There's the glue.
Which are these. These are super cute. So they have the little CC rhinestones. And then they also have the one with like a feather. So you have the little like pom-pom nail that has a diamond too. And then you have the ones that have all diamond. So they're not press on, the ones that I got. These are the ones you would use the glue with to put them on. But this one is the rhinestones. And then there's this one that has like a flower and also rhinestones. They're super cute, well designed. They feel like amazing quality. And then the regular one just has like the stripe down the middle of gold. The ones that I like are this one, the one with the CCs. This one was $14.99, but I mean, you can obviously tell why, because a lot of work went into these nails. So once I don't have my acrylics on, I will be putting these on to try them out, and it will be on TikTok. So if you want to see more of these nails, check out my TikTok and make sure you guys go check them out. I will have the link for both of these in the description down below. But again, check them out while they have a sale going on, because why pass up a sale when you can get it, quite a few of them, for a good price, which I'm trying to put back into this box. I don't know how the glue was, because all I know is when I pulled it out.
It was probably underneath the lid.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna put it through there. There we go. We got it. So make sure you guys subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and turn on notification bell to be notified every time I upload. Again, this one was $14.99. The other one was $4.99. So a little different comparison of what you can get and the style you can get. So they have a lot of affordable ones. And if you're someone that just does your nails at home, this is a cheap way to do it, but still have good quality and a cute little design. We're here for designs. Bye, guys.